Greetings again, guys. I want to show you how to automate your booking process with AI, and it's cheap. Basically, it's close to free. So when you have, firstly you have to create a project with Agentive Hub. So I have another video of that, how to do that and what's happening here in Agentive Hub. So when you've got the project created, so you can create tools now. So with tools are actually tools are you taking in the data you have and doing something about it. So the agent itself, like this, it just answers questions and gets data, but it doesn't do nothing with the data. So you have to integrate tools so you can do something with the data. So when you have the project, you can head out to the tools tab. So in this scenario, we'll be using make.com. So with Agentive Hub, they already have a template for us to use, and it's not simple for a non-developer, but I'm gonna simplify it for you. You don't need to look at a lot of things here at first. What you need to know is that there's this webhook URL, and it's basically this entire link here / and this comes here this side. Let me give you an example. So what we'll do, we'll head up to make.com, create a scenario. So with the first scenario, the first workload you'll be putting is a webhook. So you'll be creating a custom webhook. By creating a custom webhook, we'll name it, let me say hub 2. Make sure you name it correctly, because you have a lot of webhook names, you don't know what's happening with them. Don't take my so you copy this webhook link. So you can see there's this link here, this ID here. So you can copy this entire link, just for you not to do a lot of dumb mistakes. You can copy this entire link. After you've copied it, you can hit save. So because make.com works on scenario based, so we don't get nothing here with the webhook until we run the scenario once. So we save the workload and run the scenario once, then we go to our Agentive Hub, back to our Agentive Hub. So with this part, we don't do anything here because we've copied the entire link. We'll just replace this link with the link we copied. So you can see the link we copied, and we hit create tool. Now we've created the tool. So for us to test it, we first have to, let me just hit publish just to save it. Not sure how it's gonna. Then you go to the prompt. So you have to tell the agent that when it gets the data, it has to send it to the tool. So let me make an easy example. So after, let me read this prompt. You are a personal assistant for a company named Humanic, but just greet people with a smile and get their names. Then I'll take their names and just push it to their workflow. So just tell the agent, when you get the name of the user, send it to the webhook for blog titles as the text. So make sure you prompt it correctly. This is not how, I'll show you in another video how to prompt this thing correctly so you can get the right outputs every time. So for now, I'll just test this one for now. I'll just hit publish. And if it sends the data to the workflow, it has to appear here with make.com. So let me try. Let me go, hey, I wanted to get my name, ask me for my name. Hey, what's your name? My name is John. John. So when I've gave it my name, it's taking a while. Then it says, how can I assist you today? So when you go back to this make.com, so we see the scenario, just posted the name John. And you can do a lot with this. So because you are using a structure, I'll make just a simple workflow for you guys just to save this thing on Google Sheets. Save your names on Google Sheets. So it's gonna be adding another module. So the module is Google Sheets to add a new row. So you have to connect with your Google account. In the Google Sheets, you get the part, you get the everything. So with this one, I won't use an ID. I'll just look for the one I have. Let me use this one, lead generation. I think this is just an empty sheet. Yeah, I'll just put the name here within the Google Sheets, then hit save the scenario, and we can run it again. So the workflow is gonna be waiting for data to be sent from this and this agent to that side. So let me restart this and hit hey again. Let's see. And it goes, hey, please tell me your name. So I'm gonna say now my name is Sam. Let's go to make.com and watch the scenario. Boom. So you can see it went to Google Sheets and say edit a row. Let me show you guys this in practice. My Google Sheets. Google Sheets. It should appear on top because yeah. So Sam, my name Sam is added to the Google spreadsheet. So you can do a lot with this automation here. For example, you can add a call. You can make a call or you can send an SMS with Twilio. So there's a bunch of apps you can use here just to make your workflow more complex or suitable for your work. That's it for this video. You can hit the subscribe button and wait for more videos.